The last step of the test process is test completion. And in test completion, there are multiple important activities which the test manager must ensure that they are performed correctly. Two of them which are very similar in the naming, but there is a difference between their meaning, which are archiving testware and handing over my testware. So what is the difference between them? When we talk about archiving testware, archiving testware means that we have some artifacts which are important. We can reuse them in later releases. We can reuse them in other projects also. For example, let's assume that you are developing a mobile application and there is a checklist that is related to mobile compatibility testing, for example, on multiple Android and iOS devices, and you are using them with beta testers in order for them to test the compatibility of your application on different screen sizes and devices. So this checklist is very essential to be reused, okay? So we need to archive it in order to use it later in future projects. If we have a similar project, we can use it again. We don't need to create a new checklist for this purpose. So this is testware archiving. On the other hand, we have testware handover. So by handing over, we mean that we will provide our testware to another party, to another department inside our company. For example, if we are done from a project, and now we have some defects that are deferred, okay? We didn't solve them. We know that they are known issues which are going to be fixed later, or they are not going to be fixed at all. We might provide those defect reports to the customer support team, okay, or the technical support team. Why? Because when any user asks about a problem, they refer to this list, and if this is a known issue, they know how to deal with it or what is the workaround that is essential to be done in this situation. So those two activities are very essential for any software testing project, which are testware handover and testware archiving. Don't forget to use them in your projects.